AI trading apps are everywhere right now. Every week, there's a new platform claiming it can analyze the market, automate trades, and help people make money without sitting in front of the charts all day. So, when Rocket Matix reached out to sponsor this video, I wanted to test it properly and see how it actually works. I didn't want to use any screenshots or maybe fake profits, not also going to use any unrealistic promises. I wanted to understand how the setup process works, how the AI trading assistant behaves during live market conditions, and whether beginners can actually use it without getting confused. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Rocket Matix and how the AI trading assistant works. You're also going to see the settings I personally tested, my experience using the app, and the risks you should know before using any trading platform. And yes, this video was sponsored by Rocket Matix, but I still want to keep this realistic because trading is risky. There is no such thing as guaranteed profit. So with that said, let's get into the video. Now, before we even open the Rocket Matix app, let me say this clearly. Trading involves risks. Whether you are trading manually or using AI tools, there is always the possibility of losing money. So if you decide to try Rocket Matix, make sure you only use money you can afford to risk. Don't use your rent money, don't empty your savings account, and don't believe anyone online telling you trading is easy money. Risk management is the most important thing. Now, let me show you how the platform works. Once you download the Rocket Matix app using the link in my description, the first thing you will notice is that the interface is pretty simple. Everything is organized clearly. I think it's important because some trading apps can feel extremely overwhelming for beginners. After creating your account, you can switch between a demo account and a live account. And honestly, if you are new to trading, I would strongly recommend practicing with the demo account first before using real money. Now, for this video, I decided to test the live version, and funding the account is also very straightforward. Rocket Matix supports different payment methods, including local bank transfer options for Nigerians. As you can see, I have OPay here that I can use to fund my account. This makes it very easy for people that don't want to deal with crypto deposits. Maybe people that find crypto a bit complicated to work with. The platform also supports withdrawals through different methods, and if you use the promo code AUDU50 while depositing, you'll receive a bonus in your account. Again, bonuses are not magic money. You still need to trade responsibly. Now, this is where things get interesting. Inside the app, there is a section called Robots, and this is where you configure the AI trading assistant. The setup process is very straightforward and simple. First, you choose which accounts you want the robot to operate on, then you set your trade amount. This is important because this determines how much money the robot risks per trade. Now, for my test, I used $50 because I wanted to properly see how the system behaves. But if you're a beginner, it's smarter to start small. The next setting is trade duration. For this test, I selected 1 minute option so the robot could actively scan and execute trades quickly. Then you choose the trading assets. Rocket Matix supports multiple assets including Forex and crypto. For this video, I decided to use Euro/USD because it's one of the most popular Forex pairs. After that, you select the indicator. There are different options like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, and Stochastic. I personally went with RSI because it's one of the indicators I'm already familiar with. Then finally, you choose your risk level. If you're starting out, I honestly think it's better to stay conservative instead of trying to chase massive profits immediately. Once everything is set up, you simply press start trading and the AI assistant begins scanning the market, and you can see the robot is going to start trading live. This was honestly the most interesting part of the experience. Once the robot starts running, you will see it searching for signals before entering any positions. It doesn't just randomly place trades. It doesn't wait for what it believes is a favorable setup based on the strategy and indicator that I selected. One thing I noticed is that the robot can take both buy and sell position depending on market conditions. And while the trades were running, I also opened Trading View so I could compare the market movement myself. I think that's something people should always do. Even if you're using automation, you should still try to understand what's happening in the market instead of blindly depending on software. Some trades closed in profit, some stayed negative for a while before recovering. And yes, there were losing trades too. As you can see, it's not perfect. That's why risk management is important and it matters a lot. No trading system wins all the time, but overall, it was interesting seeing how the AI reacted to live price movement without me manually placing trades myself. Now, one thing people always ask with platforms like this is, can you actually withdraw your money? So before making this video, I tested the withdrawal process myself. The process was simple. You go to withdrawal section, select your payment method, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and submit the request. In my case, I tested with a crypto withdrawal option, and based on my experience, the request was processed successfully. Processing time can obviously vary depending on the payment method and account verification, but I still wanted to test that side of the platform before talking about it here. So after testing Rocket Matix, here is my overall opinion. I think platforms like this are interesting because they make trading automation more accessible for beginners. The setup process is easy, the interface is beginner friendly, and the AI assistant is simple enough for people that are curious about automated trading. But at the same time, you still need to approach it realistically. This is not guaranteed income, this is not a cheat code, and this is definitely not a platform where you should expect overnight success. The smartest approach is to start small, learn gradually, understand risk management, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. If you want to check out Rocket Matix for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description, and if you decide to sign up, don't forget to use the code AUDU50 for the available deposit bonus. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, drop a like, and let me know if you want me to test more AI powered tools like this one, and I'm going to see you in the next video.